Hi, welcome to Analytics for All. This is lesson 15 in our Python for Data Science course. This time today we're going to be covering zip and unpack. As with all my lessons, I have a write-up here on my website, analyticsforall.org. I'll put a link for this down in the description. Uh, I've got my first lesson. It shows you how to install the Python Anaconda distribution, so you can use the Jupyter notebooks I'm using in this lesson. If you didn't install it or you can't because you're on a phone or a tablet or a work computer, I did include, if you go down, check out my sites, look for the blue arrow. It'll bring you over to a Python testing show you can work on in your browser. But I really do recommend, if you can, install the Anaconda distribution. All right, now this is going to be a quick lesson. The only reason I'm even including this is because I've seen this pop up in interview questions. I don't know why, but let's just go ahead, zoom in, and we'll go over this. So zip and unpack are two ways of combining lists. So what we got here is two lists. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let me go ahead and get rid of this real quick so we can take a look here. All right, so the syntax is very simple. Zip and the two lists you want to zip together. All right, so we'll go ahead and run this. It comes out, notice it comes out as a zip object. All right, so the way you can see it physically, if you want to take a look at it yourself, is to say list. And when we run it now, you see how it comes out. You've got 1, 4 in like these tuple pairs, 2, 5, 3, 6. So it becomes a list of tuple pairs. So that's what you get for zip. Now, to unzip, we're going to rezip it, and I'm going to separate it now into two different variables. So notice this was X and Y before, now I'm going to put it into A and B. And the difference is it's still a zip, but you put the asterisk sign here, which the star above the 8 key on your keyboard, in front of your variable that's already been zipped, and you run that, and you see now I now have two tuples that come out. Notice they don't come out as lists, they come out as tuples of 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. It's all for this list. This lesson, it's honestly, I put it in here mostly as I've seen it as an interview question. Uh, go ahead, we're going to go into some other stuff here next. This is Analytics for All. If you like this, go hit the like, hit the subscribe, check out my other videos, check out my website, and leave me notes on anything you'd like me to cover. Thank you very much. This is Analytics for All.